You are listening to DWIZ 882 AM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Aliw Broadcasting Corporation, authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number 2100, effective from January 1, 2024 to expire on December 31, 2026. Radio station DWIZ 882 AM operates with a power of 50,000 watts. Our studio is located at the 20th floor, City State Center, 709 Shaw Boulevard, Barangay Uranbo, Pasig City. And our transmitter is located at Osmeña Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Obando, Bulacan. DWIZ 882 AM is operated and maintained by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer, Eugene C. Castro, with PRC license number PECE 808. Shelo R. Picol, with PRC license number ECE 0062336. Daniel Paulo Tenco, with PRC license number ECT 8997. First class radio telephone operators, Gerardo S. Maquilan, with license number 01-1 PNCR-25425. Edmund Langurayan, with license number 98-1 PNCR-21252. Donald Peñafiel, with license number 92-1 P3-7334. Frederick Bellamala, with license number 97-1 PNCR-20131. Wener Contejino, with license number 01-1 PHF-25494. DWIZ 882 AM now concludes another day of broadcasting. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.